Hey everyone, so in today's video we're going to go ahead and change this fuel filter out right here, and it's pretty straightforward. All you're going to need is a new fuel filter, which this is the recommended one via the owner's manual, and a pair of pliers. So what we need to do is remove it from these clips right here so we can get some room, get it up here, make it easy. Now just squeeze this, pull it off. Same with this one, pull it off. Now when we take this off, grab the new one, get it ready, because this is going to leak a little bit. So there's one. There's the other. And put it on. What we'll do is we'll slide this over like this. There we go. One's on. There we go. Pretty good. Now we go ahead and put it back in these clips. And we're good to go.